Now we will talk on how to change our white flat 3D model into a fully materialized rendering. So you guys can see I've already have materials, I have lights, I have a really nice shot. Even I've got fair chairs, and usually if I want to achieve this, it's going to take me a lot of rendering time, and I have to have an exceptional CPU and GPU to be able to achieve this. Taking you guys to the timeline, this was this, this, and then latest is this is the first thing that I began with. Then I've added some materials, then I've added the carpet, then I've added even more materials, and then I've added lighting. So how can we achieve this? So I will take the image itself and I will put it here, and then I'll ask it for this prompt, which states that make the floor epoxy concrete, counter white marble, table wood, cupboards white laminate, glass lights, and burgundy for the dining chairs. Great. Burgundy fair for the dining chairs. So I can do it this step by step, or I can have the whole prompt going on. So what I've added here is that I've talked about the carpet. So here is also abstract and artistic, that is white. Here, make the circular rug under the dining table white. So I can add this space, I can add this as well. And what did I do different here is that circular chandelier, make the circular chandelier glass sphere with lighting inside them, turn on the lights of the spots and the group false ceiling, make the accessories on the bright silver, blah 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 blah. So I can even copy this one and I can do enter and I can paste. I can put all my prompts at once, or I can do one by one. So we'll test first is that to do all in one. Again, I'm gonna mention to turn on the lights and create. Let's see if it can achieve all my thoughts with one trial. Then I'm gonna save you guys the time of doing 3 or 4 trials to achieve whatever we're looking for. And voila, it did. It did with like a big percentage, it did. So this is what I have now. And it's really great. It's really wonderful. So I can add this and, continue prompting. So let me delete this one and ask it to turn on the lights in the hidden false ceiling groove. What else? Make the fridge on the left silver metallic, and okay, make the cupboards reflective laminate. What else? Give variation to the books and accessories. Give a material variation for the books and accessories. Let's do create and see what we will achieve. There you go. So it has, let me download it. It has lit the false ceiling and it has added the metallic fridge. It has made the cupboards reflective and has, brightened the image a little. So to put them next to each other in context, this is what I have now. So it has changed the fridge and it had turned on the false ceiling light, and it has gave maybe not much focusing on the books. Maybe if I take the image itself and just prompt for the books, then I'll be able to achieve a variation of the books. But I love it. I love it. This was this, guys. Literally, this is revolutionary. Usually, I need to do it on Photoshop. And if I do it on Photoshop, then it's not gonna look quite close to this one. And even if I want to do it on 3D and be able to show the progress. If, for example, for instance, I want to do an animated video on how did I, materialize every single element of this. So I can, prompt for element by element, and then after that, in the end, put them in a sequence together and show how did I change the whole material of everything here. So this is really powerful. This is one of the applications and the workflows. I hope you guys really benefit from this one. See you guys in the next ones.